And we have the Groot Rivier in full flood again. Apparently there are 4 sluices open at the Floriskraal Dam. I don't think all that water has reached here yet, but this is definitely higher, the river, than it was a couple of weeks ago. So I thought I'll just send this little video to all of you so you can see how broad the river is. Look at this. Look how broad that is. Not often that we see the river at this level, guys. Look how wide it is. Beautiful. Beautiful to see all this river. And you know, the nice thing is it flushes the place nice, the water nice and clean. And the little otters that live here absolutely love this, and the birds and the wildlife. So there we go. Groot River in full flood.